In this video I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com. I'll show you how to buy with a market order, with a limit order, and with a recurring buy. Let's start with the market order. Once you're on the home page, click on buy and then type Bitcoin BTC, click on Bitcoin, and then here you can choose either the amount of money you want to put in. So like this, let's say I want to put in $100. I'll click here and I'll type 100. Or you can also choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. So click on this symbol here and type the specific amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 0.001 Bitcoin. It will tell me that I'll spend $96.99. And next you need to choose the payment method. So how you want to pay for your Bitcoin. So you can either choose to pay with the money you have in your spot wallet, or with Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard. Keep in mind that paying with the money in your spot wallet is always the method with the lowest fees, but also the slowest because you need to deposit. And paying with Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard is faster but has higher fees. If you don't know how to deposit money on Crypto.com, check out the video I've already made on the channel. So once you've chosen the payment method, click on buy, the blue button at the bottom, and you'll buy Bitcoin right away, and you will see it here in accounts and then overview and crypto. Now I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin with a limit order. Limit order means buying Bitcoin at a specific price. So you'll have to wait until the price of Bitcoin reaches the price you set. So click on the three lines in the top left corner and click on limit order. Now here click on buy, the blue button in the bottom left corner. Click here where it says search and write BTC. Click on Bitcoin, and here you need to set the price at which you want to buy Bitcoin. So right now the price is 85.629 thousand euros. Let's say I want to buy Bitcoin at 83. I'll type 83, and here in amount in BTC you need to type how much you want to buy in Bitcoin. So let's say I want to buy 0.001 Bitcoin. I'll type 0.001. It will tell me that I'll spend 83 euros, or whatever your currency is, might be USD, GBP. And then you need to choose how you want to pay for it. You can pay with the money in your spot wallet, you can pay with Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard. Once everything is set, click on the blue button at the bottom and you will create an order. You will see the order here in open orders. And once the Bitcoin price reaches the price you've set, it will automatically buy your Bitcoin. And once the order is filled, you will see it again here in accounts and crypto. Now I'll show you how to set up a recurring buy. Recurring buy means buying Bitcoin every so often. So again, click on the three lines in the top left corner, click on recurring buy. Here it will tell you set up periodic crypto purchases. Click on the blue button here that says set up recurring buy. Here again you need to type Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin, and here you need to choose the amount of money you want to put in every so often. So let's say I want to buy $50. I'll type $50. Next is you need to choose the frequency. So here click on select, and you can choose to buy $50 or whatever the amount you want to buy, weekly, daily, bi-weekly or monthly. So let's say I want to buy $50 of Bitcoin every single day. I'll click on daily, confirm. Now next is repeat on. This is disabled because I chose daily, but let's say I want to do it weekly. I'll click on weekly and confirm. And now repeat on is enabled. So if you click on repeat on, you can choose when you want to buy Bitcoin. So let's say I want to buy every Sunday. I'll click on Sunday, I'll click on confirm, and then again you need to choose the payment method. So click on select here where it says pay with, and here you can choose to pay with either credit card, crypto wallet, or cash account. So here in credit card you need to add a credit card or debit card. Check these. If you want to pay with the money in your crypto wallet, click on crypto wallet. So it will likely be USDC. Click on tick and then confirm. Or if you want to pay with the money in your spot account or cash account, click on cash account, tick this and then click confirm. And then your recurring buy will be set, and you will buy a certain amount of Bitcoin every single day, every single week, or every single month.